Hi, I am Yesha Shah, the Head of Product at Samco Securities. In this video, we will understand and explore about the new net worth widget that we have launched in the new Gen Samco app. This widget will allow you to measure and track your net worth over different time intervals. So first, let's begin by understanding what is net worth. Net worth is a measure of your wealth. It is the grand total of the market value of all your assets with Samco. It includes the current value of your stock holdings, of your mutual fund positions with Rank MF, of your derivative positions in the equity and currency segment, as well as your cash balances. It is very important that you track your net worth and aim to consistently increase it. Why so? This is because your net worth and your capital are your raw material in the stock market business. Ultimately, the profits that you generate in the stock market business in absolute terms are dependent on your capital and thus your net worth. So now that you've understood the importance of tracking your net worth, let's understand how you can track your net worth in the new Gen Samco app. So on the dashboard, the second widget that you see in the Samco app is your net worth widget. It gives you a real-time graphical snapshot of how your net worth has moved today, as well as for different other time intervals. You can also see whether your net worth has moved due to change in your profit and loss or due to capital movement. Or if you scroll down in the widget, you can also see a net worth decomposed section. In this section, you will be able to track and attribute the change in your net worth value today to different asset classes. Basically, it will tell you which asset class is working for you today and which isn't. If you scroll further down in the net worth widget, you will see another section known as net worth ranking. In this widget, you can track and compare your net worth with other peers at Samco. Again, there are two methods to do this. One is the category average and other is the Samco average. This will help you understand where you stand in terms of your net worth. That's not it. You can also share your net worth ranking via Samco verified certificates. Since we believe that trading is a very serious business and your net worth is your raw material in this business, basis your net worth, we have again categorized all our clients into 5 net worth categories. These 5 categories are micro enterprise, small enterprise, mid enterprise, large enterprise and mega enterprise. You can get a detailed understanding of all of these categories by clicking the I button in the net worth classification widget. So in sum and substance again, so now that you've understood all the power-packed features that we have introduced in the new Gen Samco app, I highly recommend you to download our application, open an account within 5 minutes and track your true stock market performance like never before. Thank you.
From Samco, the new Gen mobile trading platform. Ace the Index.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.